So, we have ourselves strings, but we don't have any sort of way for them to actually we don't have a way for our players to import strings of their own. Because think about all these video games. You get to decide your own name, and then the computer goes and puts that name in all the different text boxes where someone's speaking to you, right? We don't necessarily have the computer make our name for you. So how is it we wind up having people import their own things? So, first things first, we need to see this interactive mode right here. We need to turn this on. So now interactive mode is on. Now some stuff went away over here, but that's alright. Because we're going to make ourselves a variable, obviously. Like, I don't know, we'll just name this, I don't know, favorite food. And favorite food will equal, well, we can't actually, type something in here for them, because then we're deciding their favorite food. We need a way for our player to input their own favorite food. Wait a minute. Input. Let's actually try that. Input, parentheses, obviously, and then, I'll ask a question so that they have a prompt so they know what's happening. What is your favorite food? There we go. We'll just, give them some sort of input so they know what they're typing. We'll give them some sort of question so that they know what they're typing in. In theory, I wouldn't need a question and they can just input a blank line, but how would they know what they're answering? And then, of course, I'll just, print your favorite food is, and then I'll, put in favorite food. There we go. So now, because interactive mode is on, this input is going to work. So I'll hit execute. It's executing. And now it asks me a question. What's my favorite food? And oh, look, I have a blinking line here. So I could say my favorite food is... Oh, we're going to be our inner child right now. We're going to say it's a chocolate sundae. We're going to say we're like a... Oh, with sprinkles. Yeah, there we go. And now I'll just simply hit enter. I'll simply hit enter. And there it goes. It took a while for it. But it says, my favorite food is a chocolate sundae with sprinkles. I'm not sure why the E separated from the T there. So we had a slight little error that was involving just the actual program itself. But, as you see, I entered what I said, and then it printed it out. So, of course, if I were to execute this again, and this time say, I don't know, my favorite food is a banana split with fudge and whipped cream on top, and I hit enter. It's a banana split with fudge and whipped cream on top. Yeah, there's just a little bit of happening here with the print function that's just a little off, but it's generally correct. I'm assuming that's because I typed something, then deleted it, then typed again. Let me try that. So if I were to do just simply apple, favorite food is apple. Now let me just try doing A, deleting, now A, PPLE. Yep, that's what's happening. It's remembering the keystrokes that I did, and it's then, typing them all in, even though I deleted it, still remembered it. So in theory, if I were to do blah, 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 delete all this, and then put potato. It went blah, 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 potato. Yep, that's all that's happening. It's remembering literally all of my inputs. In other words, make sure you're typing properly and not doing typos. But yes, that's how you can input an actual command and have the player be the one to input something and then have it print out later on. We saved this variable as the input that they type in to this question. So, you now know everything that it is you wind up needing to know to complete this assignment. Let me go ahead and now open up the little diagram here just to show you what it is that we're doing. So, it's a Hello World assignment. So, obviously, at the start of the program, we're going to set someone's name. And then we're going to say, what their name is. And then when we set what their name is, we're going to ask what the username is. We're going to have the username print their name. It'll print it out. Then let's print some ASCII message out and close the program. See, it's just a straight line of cause and effect. Very simple coding here. And what this will wind up looking like, while I run my module here, so it says like, hello, my name is David, and your name is? I don't know, my name is Sam. Why not? Hello, Sam. Nice to meet you. So we printed our name. We asked their name. And then it said hello to that person's name. Nice to meet you. And then it printed out some ASCII art. Now, I made a big thing called the end. You don't have to make something this big. But point is, that's generally what the program's going to wind up looking like. It's very simple in the end result. So, we're just looking for you to make a variable. You want to print that variable out. And then you want to ask the player for another variable, print that other variable out, and then print out, using triple quotes, some sort of ASCII thing that, ends the program. Something simple, just getting you used to print functions. So, should be a very simple code for everyone. If you have any questions, once again, please feel free to use the university-approved email, and I will answer it. And thank you very much. Have a fun week. Bye-bye.